Here's a quick video of a 1997 Classic OBS F250 heavy-duty Powerstroke. Unfortunately, before we got a chance to do a video, this particular truck sold to a customer in Ohio. He got an extremely nice piece, very rare find. This was previously owned by an older woman, and as every car dealer has the same story, it is actually true on this one. One of our dealer friends purchased it from her directly, and she was the original owner. Extremely clean truck. Shackle reversal was done by us. It had some leaf spring fatigue, so we did new leaf springs, shackle reversal to level the truck out, new shocks. Of course, they got new bushings at that point. Now it rides 100% better with a proper shackle reversal being done. This truck's stock, other than that, down to the stock exhaust, stock airbox, factory tow receiver. It did have a spray-in bed liner with a hideaway gooseneck ball. But this 7.3 Powerstroke Turbo Diesel truck was a damn nice find. Super light wear on the seat. No rips or tears. Extra set of keys. This is truly the way you would like to find them, if you could. No check engine lights. Both tanks work properly. Only 129,000 miles. Floor shift 4x4. Factory Ford floor mats. No rust up underneath the doors. Like I said, this was a great find. Still having the factory alloys on it. Cold AC. Proper headliner. No rust under the doors. Still completely original under here. Even has the factory turbo diesel cap over top the fuel filter that usually gets broke off. Looks like we put a fresh battery in it. But a pretty good specimen of a cool OBS 1997 7.3 Powerstroke. Again, not to tease, but we at least had to get a video before it left. It's transporting out today to Ohio, so he will be sure to appreciate this extremely rust-free truck in Ohio, because they don't come along like this very often. They damn sure don't come along like this in Ohio or any of the northern or western states. Check us out for more videos of trucks like this. We love our OBS trucks. We love our OBS. In case people don't know, that stands for old body style. They call some of the Chevrolets that, but mainly the Fords of this body style are called the OBS. Then you've got the brick front ends and you got the bump sides, but this would be an OBS Ford F250 heavy duty. And we love these and our square bodies. So give us a call anytime. 804-271-0030. Or check the websites, davisautosales.com, or our most up-to-date website is davis4x4.com, Davis 4x4. Thank you very much. Thanks for viewing. Click and subscribe. Have a great day.